Well, hello, all my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. As you can see, we are doing a Boxycharm for February 2022. It came super early this month, so I'm super happy to be opening this with you guys. I am eager to find out what is in it because it is a rather thick box, a little heavy today. So I'm curious as to what's in it. I have not seen any sneak peeks or whatever whatsoever. So let's get to it. But first, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and so we can keep in touch. Like my video and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And let's get started. Da 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 da! It is Be My Clementine. Oh, that's kind of cute, huh? All the hearts and red and pink and all the pretty love stuff. And we have this month we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And let's get started because I already see something that I have been kind of needing. But we're going to start from the bottom like we always do. We're going to start with the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Lip Liquid Liner. Let's dig through here and find it. And I think I found it. Here it is. You can always use another black felt tip liner. Always. So, let's see. It says, this ultra-fine felt tip liquid eyeliner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. Lasting all day, it won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. Now, those are the kinds of eyeliners that I like because I have hooded eyes, so things tend to get up on my upper eyelid area. So, yeah, here it is. Pretty little tip, nice and pointy. That way you do it thinner or thicker. Nice, nice. Okay, okay. I'm down with this one. The MSRP for this one is $12. Okay, so that's not too bad. And I've had Estate Cosmetics before. Not too bad. So there we go. I'm going to put this one on here on my lap for later. Next up we have Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray. I can always use new setting spray. And then as a matter of fact, my current set of spray is at the bottom. So, I needed this. This is good. This is a good thing. Let's read a little bit about it. It is vegan. And it's PETA approved. So, it's a global animal test policy. Great. Okay. And the packaging is made from recyclable sources. I like that. So it says Hydra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. Infused with pea peptides rich in amino acids, Hydra Setting Spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Well, I'm not too much on the dewy formula, but I will give it a try. Let's see what this looks like. It says, give your makeup serious staying power even under extreme temperatures. So I can go to the beach and my makeup's going to be fine. Until I get in the water, of course. There we go. Pretty. Okay. I can do that. I'm down with this one. And this one, the MSRP is going for $26. Wow. Okay. Okay. So next up, we have Lavaa Beauty Flirty Lash Set. Earlier I was just saying I need some lashes. I need some lashes. I need some lashes. I also needed eyelash glue. And ooh, is that a ghost? So it's Lavaa Beauty Flirty Lash Set. The Flirty Lash Set includes the best-selling 3D Mink Flirty Lash, a clear latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive, and gold applicator. Look at that. That is nice. I'm starting to wear bigger lashes, so I'm thinking these might work for me. But definitely the glue, those I have, but the glue, I'm all about it. I'd love to try their glue. I do like this brand, so that's a good, this is good. I got another good one. Okay, so far we're kind of like, what, 3 for 3? MSRP for this set is $54. Wowzers. Okay, I'm down with this one. Next up we have Teami Blends Green Tea Detox Mask. Well, that sounds pretty interesting. I'm getting more into skincare, so I think I might like this one. I think this might be a good one too. Let's check it out. Here it is. Here it is. It's a pretty big jar. Nice. This one is cruelty-free, so that's good. Good. It's made in Florida. I like Florida. I want to go to Florida. So let's read a little bit about it. It says, this mineral-rich mask will be a must-have in your self-care routine. Uh-oh. It means I'm going to have to buy it again. Made with organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. Okay, nice. That sounds real good. And to use, it says, dampen face slightly with water. With fingertips, apply thin to medium layer on face and neck. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for mask to dry. Simply wash off with water and pat skin dry. Use 1 to 4 times weekly as needed. Best applied at night. Gotcha. Alrighty. Okay, I think this is a win too. And MSRP on this is $30. $30. Okay, and last but not least, we have this. It's wrapped in bubble. It's always a good thing. This Ace Beaute Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette is all you need to get your glow on. I'm gonna get my glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. Awesome, that sounds nice. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. This here is a new launch. And here it is. Da-da-da-da! Ooh, that's pretty. I'm liking these. These are pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that shimmer. Look pretty. Aww. Let's see. So this is a new launch, and this MSRP is for $40. Wow, that's expensive, but it is very pretty, very pretty. I did want to add that the eyeliner is new brand. This is the new brand of Boxy. Estate Cosmetics has never been in Boxy before. So cool. So that's it. That's our 5 items. Okay, so to recap, we have the eyelash set, the setting spray, the eyeliner, the detox mask, as well as the palette. So this is what we got for February 2022. And honestly, I'm actually happy with this box. I think this is probably a 5 out of 5. I have not gotten the 5 out of 5 in I don't know how long with Boxy. So I'm happy. I feel like they're doing better now. I think they had a rough start when they switched companies, and now they're getting it back together. So I'm happy with this box. I'm good. And I hope you enjoyed my review of this Boxycharm for February 2022. I will leave all the information down in my description box so that you can decide if you want to order or whatnot. And I'll leave my referral link. So we may possibly both get something a little extra, something free product, whatever. So, and points. And that's it. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.